Hi friends, one of the healthier traditional Mangalorean breakfasts prepared using Colocasia leaves is Pattradde. There are varieties of ways of preparing Pattradde. Today I am going to show you one such variant. To prepare Pattradde, I have taken half glass of urad dal, a fistful of moong dal and 2.5 glass of dosa rice, cleaned all of them and soaked separately for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, I am grinding urad and moong dal by adding little water to prepare a thick batter. Once this batter is transferred out of the grinder, I am adding about 4 to 5 Pattradde red chilli, 1 small lemon-sized tamarind, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, soaked dosa rice, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little water, 2 teaspoons of salt and prepared a thick batter. The batter is ready now. I am adding this rice batter to the urad batter and mixing both together really well. Let this rest for about 2 hours. The Colocasia leaves that I am using today can be easily found in any of the Mangalorean store. The stem of this Colocasia leaves is thicker, hence I have carefully removed the stem and cleaned the leaves. Now that the batter has rested for 2 hours, I have thinly spread the batter on the leaves. Once the batter is evenly spread, let us stack another leaf on top of this and spread the batter again. I have repeated this for about 3 to 4 leaves and then roll the leaves together. I am wrapping this using the teak leaves, but you can also use the banana leaves instead. Before starting to spread the batter on Colocasia leaves, I had placed the water to heat in a steaming vessel. Now the water has started heating, so let's place the rolled Pattradde in a steaming vessel. Let this steam for about 45 minutes in high flame. The Pattradde is cooked, now let's prepare the masala. For the masala, I am grinding about 1.5 cup of grated coconut, 4 Pattradde red chilli, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of jeera seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and water as required to prepare a fine paste. Now let's prep the Pattradde by slicing and cutting it in half. To a kadai, I am adding about 2 teaspoons of oil and few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I am adding 1 diced onion, few curry leaves. The onion is fried. To this I am adding the masala and 2 glasses of water, a small piece of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of salt. Adjust the salt as needed. The masala is boiling. So let's add all the prepped Pattradde pieces and cook this for about 5 minutes by stirring occasionally. After 5 minutes, the masala has thickened a little bit, so let's turn off the flame. This can be served hot, but the best is when you prepare in the evening and serve it in the next morning, because by then all the masala will be absorbed and taste will be amazing. The tasty and healthy Pattradde is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Home Kitchen. Bye!